I'm Aman Sinha. I came to III in 2022 of August and I graduated in December 2023. MIIPS really helped me with creating a mindset towards product development. Coming from design background, working with people who were coming from all diverse backgrounds like engineering, business, MIIPS provided that right environment for us to thrive and communicate what's best for product. I think that's what companies are looking for, whether or not you have that product mindset, because that's something which is very crucial. I think the Capstone was the biggest takeaway of my MIIPS curriculum. The first semester was all about developing the core skills, and it was during our Capstone that we sort of were able to actually put it in the real world and see how whatever we learned actually worked. So that was the first time I worked on a real project with a very interdisciplinary team and came up with a solution which was really appreciated by both ourselves and also the client we were working for. From UX research to brand design to understanding business, MIIPS made me a better professional. MIIPS just gives you a lens to see the world of possibilities out there and all the different paths you could take to just drive your career.